Hi viewers, today we will share the unboxing of Electrolux Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is of Electrolux and it has following parts with it: speedy clean nozzle, and this vacuum cleaner uses S-bag as a vacuum bag, and washable hygiene filter, classic handle, telescopic tube, and some small nozzles and dust pro nozzle. Let's open it. The booklets, the suction pipe, let's open it. Remove this piece of foam from here, and here it is written open and there are arrow signs. Push this button upwards and then pull it. Here is a filter and there is a vacuum bag. And here is another piece of foam. Remove this as well because it is on the filter. This suction tube has two ends. This end has a plastic which is movable, and this end will go inside this plastic tube, and when you will press this buttons, then it will go easily inside this plastic tube. Fix this steel pipe. Fix the other end of this suction pipe in the vacuum cleaner. Press these buttons. In fact, here we have different kinds of nozzles for different cleaning purposes. And this one is a handle to hang different small brushes. The power on and off button, the speed control button, and this button is used to pull the cable back.